Midshipman Ranger Jake Centurias, roll number 30. Anchorage vessel and vessels aground. A. A vessel at anchor shall exhibit where it can be seen. 1. In the forepart, an all-round white light or one buoy. 2. At or near the stern and at a lower level than the lights prescribed in subparagraph 1, an all-round white light. B. A vessel of less than 50 meters in length may exhibit an all-round white light where it can be best be seen instead of the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule. C. A vessel at anchor may and a vessel of 100 meters and more in length shall also use the available working or equivalent lights to illuminate her decks. D. A vessel aground shall exhibit the lights prescribed in a paragraph A or B of this rule and, in addition, where they can best be seen. 1. 2 all-round lights in a vertical line. 2. 3 balls in a vertical line. E. A vessel of less than 7 meters in length when at anchor not in or near a narrow channel, fairway or anchorage, or where other vessels normally navigate, shall not be required to exhibit the lights or shape prescribed in paragraph A and B of this rule. F. A vessel of less than 12 meters in length when aground shall not be required to exhibit the lights or shape prescribed in subparagraph D, 1 and 2 of this rule.